Hi everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to save your Microsoft application files onto your computer. It would be the same for any PC Microsoft application. How to save a file to your desktop, meaning to your computer. Once you have your document open, what you would want to do is you would want to navigate to the top left corner of your screen to the File button. Go ahead and click on the File button, and then you would want to navigate down to Save As. Now you'll have the option to save it to this PC. So you can go ahead and choose this PC. Now this means that this file is going to be saved to the storage on your computer on this PC. Now I'm going to name my file. This is going to be my research report file. So right now it's going to be saved to my documents folder. If you had other folders, or if you wanted to create a new folder in your documents section, depending on what this document is being used for, then you can go ahead and click on that folder. Now you'll notice it's being saved under Documents, and then inside of Documents there's an English folder, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. All right, now as I'm working, if it's saved to my computer, there are no automatic save options going on. So if I'm saving it to my computer, every few seconds as you're working, you navigate up here to the top left corner and click on this disk, and it'll save it. So that's how you save to your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Share it with anyone else who may benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. Thanks everyone. Catch you next time. Bye.